Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 2010 HHR SS. This one has a 4-cylinder turbo motor. Really good running and driving car with like 45,000 miles, 46,000 miles, somewhere around there. We'll be checking that out about halfway through the video. I want to be pointing out any kind of flaws on the body, interior, checking everything out for you. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. If you go to maplemotors.com, you can see detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All right, we're gonna get started up here in the front. Any flaws I see, I will point out. Front end looks pretty good. Not really any bug chips or anything. There's a couple chips over here in the corner. Down there. Coming on up a little bit, we're gonna run down the side. This video should be fairly quick. The bottom of this car is nice and clean. There's a couple little chips here. There's a chip in the middle of the door there. A couple little rock chips back over here in the corner. Small dent here. You got a dent back here with a little crease in it, real small. Lots of little scratches on the back here from where, of course, you're putting some stuff in your trunk. Tons of room. Nice and clean. Yeah, you can see a few scratches and stuff on the bumper. Coming down this side. Got some light scratches right here on your pillar. There's a chip right here below your mirror. Fairly clean all the way around. We'll be putting the hood down here in a moment. We're going to go ahead and check out the interior of this car. Door panel's in great shape. The seats near perfect. They got a great look to them as well. Everything works on the dash. I can't think of anything that don't. That's your sunroof. We'll go ahead and start it up. AC works. Just kind of give you a tour of the car a little bit. We'll go ahead and show you the mileage. 46,965 is what it's showing. Nice and clean, inside and out. Grill looks pretty good. Locks up good, nice and easy. All right, guys, check out detailed photos at maplemotors.com. Have a whole bunch of them. Looks like there's a rock chip right here on the hood, 2 of them. And you can also get finance, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Once again, that's maplemotors.com. Got all of our information on there. And normally we do classic cars, but this is a personal car that one of them was selling. So I went ahead and made a video and put it up on here for the end of the week. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.